In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate your Jira boards efficiently. Jira boards are a powerful tool for managing tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're using a Kanban or Scrum approach, Jira provides a visually organized way to view and manage your projects. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Jira account. Start by opening Google Chrome, though other browsers will work as well, and navigating to your Jira site. It's typically formatted like this: https://yourcompany.atlassian.net. Once you're there, enter your login credentials. It's pretty straightforward, and if you're accessing this from a regular device you often use, you might already be signed in, which makes things faster and more convenient. Next, we'll head over to the Board section. Begin by clicking on Projects at the top of the menu. This will present a drop-down list featuring all the projects you have on your Jira account. Find the specific project whose board you wish to view. After you select one, you'll see an option that either says Boards directly, or you might need to click on View All Boards depending on how your setup is configured. This step is crucial because it leads you to the central hub of your project management activities. Now it's time to select the specific board you want to work on. If you're using a Kanban board or a Scrum board, go ahead and choose the one that aligns with your project needs. The type of board you select will dictate the layout and tools available to you on the board. Once selected, the board opens automatically, showcasing a series of columns. These columns generally represent different stages of your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Within these columns, you'll find issues or cards, which are essentially tasks or user stories that you and your team are working on. Navigating these boards is simple and intuitive. You can click on any issue or card to view more details. This is where you'll uncover all the essential information, like descriptions, comments, and task history. If you have the necessary permissions, you can even drag and drop these issues from one column to another. This action updates their status to reflect your current workflow. For those who need to focus on specific tasks, take advantage of filters and quick filters. They allow you to customize which issues appear on your screen, helping you zero in on exactly what you're searching for without unnecessary clutter. And that's it. You can now effectively view and manage your tasks visually on your Jira board. It's an excellent way to stay organized and ensure that nothing important falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing with Jira.